Okay, we have a word problem that involves percentage. Price of a smartphone was $800. When the price was 800, the company gave a discount for 50%. So 50% was allowed, 50% was applied on the price of 800. So there was a decrease. After we subtract the decrease amount from the 800, there will be a price after the 50% discount was applied. So what that price is, we will find it later. After some time, they increased the price by 50%. This 50% was applied from the discounted price, which discount was applied on 800 for 50%. That's the catch of this math. It's not that that for 800 became 400 or 400 became 50%. Some student is the discount by 50, increased by 50. Most of the students or most of the people will say the price remains to be same. So let's see by the mathematical values. So price was $800 to start with. 50% of 800 was decreased. So how much the price was decreased by? 50%, we have options of 50%. We can convert the 50% to a decimal value. We can keep it the fraction value. Some might prefer to convert 50% at 0.50, and you can multiply that by 800. Is your choice. You can convert it into decimal, or we prefer to keep it the fraction. 50% is 50 out of 100, which is the same as 0.50. So we are going by the fractional change way. So 50 over 100 multiplied by 800. We cancel this 0, divide by 10, and divide by 10. So the answer is going to be 50 times 8. We just multiply 5 times 8, 40, and take the 0 to get the answer as 400. So this price was decreased. So we have to subtract 400 from the 800. So after the decrease was applied, so after the discount or decrease was applied, the price stood at $800. Subtract the 400 and it is 400. Then after some time, a 50% increase that would be applied on that 400 price. So it's going to be again an increase by 50% from the price of 400. So we have to do is increase value is going to be 50 over 100 multiplied by the 400, because this increase is applied on this 400. And the same thing, there are lots of ways we can do it. Cut 1 0, cut 1 0, cut 1 0. So 50 times 4 is easy 200. 5 times 4 is 20. Take the 0 is 200. So the price was increased by $200 from 400. So the price at present, it should be, after the first discount, we have the yellow value 400. After that, the 50% increase, and the increase was 200. So the current price is simple, is going to be $600. That's the actual process of finding the problem or finding the solution of this problem. Thank you for watching.